First and foremost, thank you for inviting us to this meetup, community meetup. When they approached us for this, we didn't have second thoughts. We are Comic Bookeroo. So maybe some of you already heard of us. So Comic Bookeroo actually started 2018 in Melbourne, Australia. It's a family-owned online store where we specialize pre-orders of new comic book releases and also back issues, manga, anything regarding sa comic books. And we safely packages our comics for delivery to our customers here in anywhere. Meron kaming shipping. We are shipping nationwide from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, anywhere. We make sure na yung packages namin is delivered in the right condition. So we have a team also who handles marketing, packaging, logistics. How do we get our comics? We are directly getting it from the main distributors in the US. We have weekly new releases, so we're able to deliver it on time para sa mga customers namin. How about pre-ordering yung website? Napaka-straightforward yung website. Straightforward like any other online store. Just browse, add to cart, and check out. So very straightforward. What are the payment methods na tinatanggap namin mostly? Debit cards, credit cards. We have Gcash also. We have PayMaya, GoTime. So payment methods napaka-flexible. Sinisigaw niya.
Tonight. So it's nice to see all of you, especially with the comic book community. Our family started like we are fans also of comic books like you. So doon po kami nag-start. That's why we know how exactly to take care of your comics. Yung focus namin is more on our customers and also to comics, no? So we safely package yung comic books para dumadating sa'yo in the right condition. At the same time, yung focus namin is customer service. So we have actually a feature chat on our website, yung comicbookeroo.com. May makikita kayo on the lower part na online store chat where you can actually ask any queries or questions. So yun yung focus namin, yung customer service support. Na anytime that you have any questions, for example, you want to look for back issues or new releases, even mga incentive ratios, meron po kami niyan. And also, we also have this kind of Build-A-Box program na yung Build-A-Box is, kung gusto nyo makatipid sa shipping, iipunin nyo yung inyong comic books and you'll be the one to tell us a go signal kung kailan nyo gustong i-ship yung comic books nyo. So, very flexible yung aming online website store na comicbookeroo.com. Right now, we have 3 active branches. So, dito sa Philippines, meron po tayong office and warehouse. So, what's the reason why kung bakit online and we're not putting a physical store? Kasi po, we focus on the customer dahil gusto po namin, yung matitipid po namin, instead of paying rent, mapunta po yung savings sa customers. That's why if you will notice, Comic Bookeroo is a competitive and actually I think lowest rate when it comes to comic books, no? Especially sa mga pre-order since yun yung specialized namin. Pre-order, but of course we have a wide range of varieties of comic books. Actually even to your child, meron din tayong publishers like Disney, mga comic books for children, even mga classic titles like Archie. So lahat ng publishers and distributors from US, connected po kami dyan sa upper left corner ng website. Pag sinerch nyo, for example, specific favorite titles, makikita nyo po doon kung meron, ibig sabihin, available kay distributor. Kung wala, ibig sabihin, wala pa. No? So, depende sa publisher. Actually, that's the reason why that we are recommending not to pre-order kasi to ensure na meron na kayong naka-reserve na yung title or yung comic books na gusto nyo. Kasi lalo na, or nag-allocate kami, lalo na yung mga hottest titles, pero mabilis pa rin makubo. So, with pre-order, sure na meron kayo. So, every week, ang aming inventory, updated po yan. Kung nag-update po si distributor, updated din po automatic kay comicbookeroo.com. So, we want want to be part of your comic book journey, no? As exciting, as easy, and affordable as much as possible. So, nandun lang po kami sa likod, or as anytime po, nandyan lang po kami. So, we can chika-chika the whole night, no? So, thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this event. And thank you so much, Comic Book Philippines, Lionsel, and Comic Book Society for inviting us in this event. Thank you!